All right. Hey, everybody. It's been a while since I made a video. I'm sorry about that. This whole coronavirus thing has really had me busy with the daycare. Um, there's been a lot going on since I last made a video. It's been not quite a month, but close to it. Um, Nobody signed up for the Divine Health program. And, that's okay. I was kind of expecting that. And not that I wasn't planning on no one signing up. I was hoping that there'd at least be one or two people that I could help out. But with everything I didn't know how devastating this was going to be financially to our community, and I hope everybody is safe. I hope everybody is flourishing and making their way through this, and maybe starting to get some recovery. I know my daycare has taken off, but that's an essential thing. There's a lot of people still closed down. Um, but I'm gonna keep going. I told you guys that I was still gonna be health coaching. I was still gonna be trying to help people, and that's what I'm gonna do. Um, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my own program and see if I can show you guys what the benefits of this program that I wrote is going to be for you. What I have to offer. In other words, I'm gonna do it to myself and see what kind of progress I can make. Because yeah, this program is for people who are struggling, but it's gonna help me too, even though I've been doing this for 2 years. So if that goes to say anything about how powerful this stuff is, um, ketogenics and low carb and just taking the initiative and working out just a little bit, it has such a big difference on your immune system, on your metabolism, on the way you feel. So many things get blamed on old age, or it's just natural. You know, uh, Doctors have told people for a long time that come into their clinics and say, "Well, I have this problem or I have that problem," and they ask, "Well, are you over 45?" And that's a really unfair question for doctors to ask. I hope that stops and that becomes not a thing that needs to be asked anymore. It needs to be, well, what are you putting in your mouth? And I feel like things are changing. I feel in our society, I feel something is changing in public opinion, and especially with this crisis that we've had to face as a nation, um, people are really paying attention now. And there's a lot of false information out there, and there's also a lot of helpful information. And being able to sort it out is not easy. But I think you guys are smart, and I know you guys can do it. And I want to be genuine, and I want to be one of those voices that is telling the truth, at least as far as I know. I'm going to give you guys the stuff that I know works because I've done it and it worked. At least for me. You know, as we start health coaching, I'm sure everybody's bodies are different. I'm going to start learning things about different body types and differences between people. But the things I'm going to teach to begin with are going to be things that work for everyone. Um, but for now, I'm just going to start making these videos, and I'm going to be working out. I'm going to be really getting my diet on point, and I'm going to get some results for myself. And that's kind of the qualifications I'm running on, because I don't really have an education, as far as health coaching is concerned. I didn't major in anything health related in college. Um, so I do have plans for that, but the businessman in me says I need to gain people's trust first. I need to show people that I can get results, because I mean, let's be honest, guys, college is expensive. And whenever you're starting a business that involves a college education, you really need to know what you're getting yourself into, because nobody wants to potentially go into debt um, taking college courses or getting some kind of degree or qualification and never knowing if they're ever going to make that money back, or never knowing if they're going to use it. And I'm kind of in the point in life now that I feel like I know what I want and I know who I am, And this is definitely something that can make a difference, and that's really what I want to do. Is I just want to help people. It's not about making money, really. I mean, I'm going to be a businessman, and I'm going to take care of me financially, not just physically. I need to take care of me financially too. And so to do these things, there needs to be a cost, and that makes me more effective and more able to help others. Um, and I may reevaluate that cost at some point, especially since everything that's happened. Not because I think my services are worth less, but just because I need to work with the people who need my help. And if what I'm charging right now is just simply not doable for anyone, you got to go where the demand's at. So I'll figure that out later. For now, I'm going to do what I was going to do for you guys for myself, and do my best to show you the results. Maybe at some point, if things get way better and I start making some extra money here soon, I can get a better quality camera instead of making videos on my phone like I'm doing right now. I really wanted to do some scripture readings and stuff, but I felt it was more important just to get on here and make a video and not make things too complicated or extravagant. But at some point, maybe sometime this week, I'm going to make a couple more videos, or next week, because it's already the end of this week. But either this weekend, maybe I'll make another video, and I'll start making like 2 or 3 videos a week. And we could do some scripture readings or stuff, because that was part of the program anyway. So I'm going to dive into scripture and really start taking care of my spiritual life as well, and spending some extra time in the Word. And I will share with you some of the highlights of that study, things that really touched me that I feel like can help you guys too. And I'll be sharing meals. I'll be hopefully just showing you kind of the simple workouts I do. I mean, it's mostly just push-ups and my equivalent of sit-ups, or ab exercises. I don't do actual sit-ups because they're not so good for your back or your tailbone. Unless you have like a assisted machine, which the whole point of this program, or part of it, was that you don't have to have a whole bunch of equipment to do it. So I don't want to do that. But I have some simple ab exercises and stuff that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be on a very consistent basis doing this, and then I'm going to show you the results. And if you guys follow me along, you guys can see what's happening. At some point, I probably am going to have to take off my shirt. And it's not a difficult thing for me, but I just wanted to give you a warning, because that may shock some people, I guess. Hopefully it won't be a big deal. But yeah, I'm going to try to get some real results out of this program, guys. And maybe it'll help me to, show me some flaws in my program. Maybe I can make some adjustments here and there to be for sure that I put the quality in the program and that the results are consistent. But yeah, more on that later. Just plans for the future, guys. I'm not giving up. I'm not letting dire circumstances curtail me. I don't think it's any coincidence that I started this program and then all of a sudden there's a pandemic going around. It's almost kind of like providence. So, anytime you're going to do anything good, there's adversity. And we don't need to let that influence our decisions. I still have a piece about being a health coach and doing this program. And by the way, guys, I know some of you, it's kind of it sounds like an official name from like I'm sponsored by a company or something. This is all me. I just want to let you guys know that. This program I made, nobody else had anything to do with it. Now, from some of you, I've gotten the idea to do health coaching, and I've just kind of started to build on that. But everything that I'm doing is everything I've done for myself. It's things I've studied for myself and gained the knowledge. And so I just want to put that out there that, it's my revelation that I've gotten from the Lord, the way He's guided me, and the videos and information that He's guided me to develop this program. So I'm not being helped by an outside source. I'm not copy and pasting or just getting a book to reference and make all this stuff. This is just me. So yeah, I just wanted to touch on that and make sure you guys knew that. Yeah, it's just me. It's just good old John, good old health coach John making this stuff. So if any of you are still interested, I'm not like canceling the program or anything. Just let me know. But I'm gonna be doing this stuff, so I'll probably just be helping people on an individual basis. Like if you call and you want my services and you're willing to pay for them right now, you can come and join me and do the things that I'm doing, and we'll figure out times and stuff, and I'll work with you. But for right now, a lot of people have been interested. I've gotten a lot of people, that have come to me personally and asked me about it, and they either weren't able to at the time due to time constraints or financial reasons, which is completely understandable. It's a hard time for everyone right now. But I'm going to continue on with this program. I'm going to do stuff for me. If you guys want to join me, go ahead and give me a call, and we'll figure stuff out, and we'll adapt the program for you, and I will give you my best advice, and we'll move forward from there. And I'm excited. I'm pumped. I know I'm going to get some good results out of this, and I'm going to be in a better place than I was before, spiritually and physically. And I guess that's it. I just want to let you guys know I'm not backing down, not giving up. Just because I haven't made some videos in a while doesn't mean I've given up. I'm still here. If you need me, let me know. I'll give you my number one more time. It's been a while. So 640-5138. 620-640-5138. And you guys have a great week. You have a great rest of your week and a great weekend. And we will talk to you guys again here very soon. I guess that's it. See you guys.